Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. This is my next video on chapter magnetic effect of electric current. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. And for your queries, you can write in the comment box and you can ask your queries during online classes also. Today lecture, we will do about how to draw the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. Previous lecture or we have done that when we are having bar magnet and when we have sprinkle iron filling on that, they have arranged them in a pattern, and that pattern we have given the names ki iron filling arrange themselves in a pattern of magnetic field line. That pattern was of magnetic field line in a curve path. Today we will plot these field lines ki we want to see them. So what we need for that? We need a bar magnet, we need a white sheet, we need a drawing board, a pencil, some adhesive tape to paste that. So first of all, how we will do? We will take the cardboard, and on that cardboard we will put this. On the drawing board we will put the white sheet, and on white sheet we will put this bar magnet and make a boundary of the bar magnet to give a fixed position to the bar magnet. And near to the magnet, now place the magnetic compass near to it, near to the north pole. So what will you observe? You will observe when you will put the compass near to the north pole, south end will get attracted towards the north pole, and north end would get pointed, directed away from the north pole. Means as you're watching, south and north opposite poles attract each other. So we will see the needle south pole directed towards the north and north pole of the needle get directed away from the north pole. For this, put the two dots to know the position. Now remove the needle from here and to the where we have put the dot, near to that again put the compass and again observe the position. What will you observe? The position which is now occupied by the north pole, now it would be occupied by south pole. Means the position acquired by south pole, previously the same position was acquired by north pole. So like this, if we will continue by plotting these points and by changing the position of the bar, this compass. So when you will reach near to the south end, so what you will observe? You will observe near to the south, north end of the compass would come and south end move away. So when we join these points around this, like we are plotting these points using the north direction of the pole. So when we will join these points like this, so we will get a pattern. And from which direction we are going? We are going from north to south. So this pattern, when we join these dots together, so this curve represent the magnetic field line around a bar magnet, and we can draw by putting the compass at different position as many lines we want. We can draw many lines of magnetic field lines around a bar magnet using this compass on a paper. So these curved lines represent magnetic field line around a bar magnet. They originate from north pole and they merge at south pole outside, and inside they move from south to north pole. So in this way the magnetic field lines are closed and continuous curve, and we are able to see the magnetic force exerted by this bar magnet around it. Now moreover, you are watching near to the poles, these field lines are crowded, means it represents strong magnetic field. As you move away, like when you are here middle position, so you will observe this becomes parallel to each other. Here will come like south polarity and here is the north polarity. So deflection tells us about the magnetic force. Near to the poles, magnetic forces are stronger and deflection is also more. As you will move away, the forces becomes weak. So this is the pattern we can draw the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. Now next we will do ki how a current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet. So let's start that. Now let's do next, magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor means, first of all I have explained you earlier that when a current is flowing through a wire, then it behaves like a magnet. So that was known as magnetic effect of electric current. So today we will find out ki the magnetic field is there or direction change is what happened. And the same thing we are showing ki when a current carrying wire is there, so it shows the magnetism. So for that, this is a activity based. So it is given in your NCERT book also, but let's understand. So we will take a battery of 3 or 4 cells of 1.5 volt each. We will take a key. First of all, plug it out and make a connection. And take a thick copper wire. And near to the wire or over to the wire, put a compass, magnetic compass. When there is, you are watching, I have written east earlier. Now let's stop it. So when there is no current flowing, it shows north-south direction. Clear? So it shows north-south direction. But when you plug in the key, the current start flowing through the wire. So when it will pass through this thick copper wire, it will go from X end to Y end. As you know that direction north, south, east, west. So it means current is going from north to south. So whenever current start flows, we will observe the needle get deflected towards the east. So it shows the magnetism that whenever current pass through a thick copper wire, there is a magnetism produced in the wire. How we come to know? How we will understand there is magnetism? Because there is a deflection in the needle. Now see this, in this step, I have changed the direction of the current. What does it mean? I have changed the terminals of the battery. Current always goes from positive to negative terminal. But what I have done this time, here you are watching, it is coming from north to south. And in this diagram you are watching, it is going from south to north, because I have changed the terminals of the battery. So this time current is going from south to north. And when you are plugged in the key, you will observe this time deflection is towards the west side. Means whenever we will change the direction of the flow of the current, then there is a change in direction of the magnetic field lines around a current carrying conductor. Like we know that bar magnet have the field lines, similarly current carrying conductor is also having field lines. And whenever we will change the direction of the flow of the current, then deflection in the needle also get changed. It shows that magnetic field also get changed whenever you will reverse the direction of the flow of the current. For today, this is the topic you have to do. We will meet in the next class. Thank you and take care.